we are going to declare it now. I will show you how to declare and the various versions and how it declares what the doc type. So let me go to my MS Word. The very top one, which is HTML5, which is what we are using, this is how it declares the what? The doc type. It says I doc type HTML. So this sits on top of the main HTML element. Okay, just to tell the browser we are what? We are using HTML5. Even without you declaring it, your code will still run perfectly. Just it is a very good practice to bring. Now the previous versions of HTML, like HTML4, this is how it also declares the doc type, and this doc type, like I said, sits on top of the main HTML element. This is what? Transitional XHTML. As HTML4 came, different additional functionality was added, and then it was named XML. So later there was a consensus that the XML, which is a different markup structure, and the HTML should be merged together. So it was merged, and this was the new name, XHTML. When you're using XHTML, this is how you declare the doc type, okay, and then strict XHTML, that is it, and then XML, that is how you declare what? The doc type. And the doc type sits on top of the main HTML element. Let's copy this. Let's copy this. This is what we are actually using, HTML5. We have copied, Ctrl S to copy. Let me go to my code. So this is where you insert your document declaration, okay, on top here. So you see the doc type, exclamation sign, doc type, and then HTML. Before you bring your HTML, this will not do any physical change in your code, but it just tells the browser how to render this particular index.html file we are creating. So it is for you to tell the browser how it should render it. And then because you are using HTML5, it should show, okay, if you are using the latest browsers, it should show almost every other thing that can be shown by HTML5. Okay, so that is just that about the declaration.